So ayan mga kamisis, we're on our way to Morrisons. It's already 9:11 p.m. and it's still bright. So yeah. Oh, why Mandarin? Huh?
What day is it today?
Monday?
Oh, that's why.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Our local takeaway place is Kineme closed. Oh, you also need petrol.
Are we going to Morrisons or Tesco?
Morrisons. So yeah, let's go. We're not gonna be long there. We're just gonna find something for myself. Yeah, my husbands always do that, mga kamisis. He always
Right, that's right. Sorry, that sentence. My husbands always do this. They always. How many husbands have you got?
I mean, my husband, he always empty the petrol before he put petrol in it. Yeah, he's waiting for, how many is it? 5 miles. 5 miles to empty.
Not deliberately. I just can't ever be bothered to put petrol in.
Yeah, can't bloody bothered. If I learn to drive, I always get it full tank.
Really? Well, we'll see if that's true when you start driving.
Yeah. You need to go first there.
Yes. Thank you.
So yeah. Yan. Oh my goodness. You really wanted to make me dizzy, don't you?
Nope, I just want to go home.
So ayan mga kamisis, ayan ang ano dito is ikaw lang. Pwede ka na ring magbayad, meron na ring bayadan dyan mga kamisis. Ay shucks, itatap mo lang yung card mo. Ayan. Finally. So ayan. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ang pinagasolina niya. Ah, 15 liters is worth 18 pounds something. 15.17 liters cost 18 pound 92 mga kamisis. And now we are going to the shopping. Right. Ganito kasi dito mga kamisis, kalapit na rin ng ng grocery yung grocery is meron na rin silang sariling petrol station. So yeah. At my husband is getting me dizzy again, going to the edge of the bloody car park even though it's not busy.
The edge means that there's less zigzagging, as I don't have to go zigzagging through the car park, so actually this is making you less dizzy.
Right, I'm dizzy now. You go and get your bloody thing. Oh.
You wanted to come here for steak. What?
I'm dizzy now.
Well, what do you want me to do about it? I can't make the car parks are by their nature big, and you have to drive through them. Like if it was just one big straight line, we'd have to park.
Well, you can slow down. Not bloody like a bloody. I'm bloody like in a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster car when you're driving it.
Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
Yes.
Right, but if you get dizzy all the time, why have you chosen to go on a roller coaster? Can't be that bad then, can it? This dizziness.
It is bad when it's in a car.
Well, why'd you run?
Yan. Ang lamig mga kamisis. Mahangin yung hangin niya is malamig.
Can't be bothered with this. I feel like we live in this bloody shop.
What do you mean? We haven't been.
We have.
No,
I
we
was here the
didn't.
other day.
Is it? Didn't you go in Tesco?
No, I came here first. And we didn't have
Oh yeah.
what we wanted.
The soil.
Yeah,
the
yeah. And a couple of
compost.
days before I was here to get something, and they didn't have it, so I had to go to Tesco.
So ayan. Ayan ang aming local grocery kineme. Ang lamig. So cold. It's so cold. Si Mr. ay nagwawala na.
It's not really long, right?
Yes.
Not a full shop.
Oh, there's lots of produce kineme. Tingnan mo mga kamisis, oh, ang ganda. Ganda ng flower, rose. Yan, iba, ang kulay niya, oh, ganyan. Magkano? £2.50. It's only £2, baby. Which one? Oh, that one, yeah. What do I want?
You know, I said let's not take too long.
Yes?
Well,
Oh, that's only £3.
you're listening to this.
Ang daming mga ang daming mga reduced na mga kamisis, oh. I don't like that. I don't like tulips now.
Really?
No, I mean, I don't like it. I don't think it's,
Yeah.
this one's nice. Ayan. Tingnan mo naman itong asawa ko na to, oh. Andito yung, ay, hoy! I'm gonna put this one there. What an idiot. Ay. Naglalaro na lang kami dito. Nakakaloka. Inaano niya kasi ako, sabi niya, pumunta tayo sa Morrison kasi nga aalis siya, iiwanan niya ako ng isang araw. Sabi niya, para may treat ka pagka umalis ako. Bata lang yan. So ako naman itong grab the chance, 'di ba? Sila mga kamisis, nagre-reduce sila ng ng price. Daming mga dito, mga kamisis. Daming mga, ito ang aisle ng mga wine and ayan, kung nakikita nyo.
Just because I'm going away for the night doesn't mean you can get pissed off.
What do you mean? Just looking. Where's mine?
They don't have the red velvet. They've got Oreo ones if you want.
Where is it? Thank you. So ayan, let's go mga kamisis. At si Mr. ay kumuha ng muffin. Hindi ako kinuha ng muffin. You can have that if you want. So ayan. Where's the Oreos? Ooh, yes, I want that. And meron sila may mga muffin sila dito mga kamisis, oh.
I got 2 carrot ones, so you could have one.
So I can have 2.
No, I got
as
2
well.
carrot, 1 each.
Ah, I thought you got 2 for yourself.
No, I got 1 for each.
It's gonna be lonely there.
Is it?
It's gonna be lonely, my love. Oh.
No, come on.
Just get it. So, ayan, may Oreo. Yummy.
Don't eat them both tonight.
Of course not. There you go. They're also gonna be lonely, my love.
No.
Oh, it said it's automatic, but it's not. Oh, there. So, ayan na. They're putting all the reduced stuff. There's loads. So yan, maganda kasi pumunta ng ganitong oras mga kamisis kasi may mga reduce. There's plenty of reduced price when it's this time kasi magko-close na sila ng 10 o'clock. There's a piece to be known.
Right,
Yeah.
you carry on. I've got a couple of things I need to get. So
What is it? Bloody bits na yan. So, ayan. Papakita ko pala sa inyo mga kamisis. Binago kasi nila yung ano. Oh, dito may clearance. Meron silang mga clearance dito mga kamisis. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan o. Ang mga clearance. May nakalagay siya na ganyan. Clearance. And then, lahat ng yan ay clearance. Ayan. From 25 pound naging 18 pound na lang siya. Ooh, Kappaberg. Wala naman masyadong ano. Wala naman masyadong mga eto gusto ko to rin. And may tinitinda silang ganito dito, seafood. Sarap nito mga kamisis. Ito lang ang binibili ko talaga dito. Yan. Kasi nga yung mga yan ay walang lasa, lalo na yung pot noodles na yan mga kamisis. Walang kalasa-lasa. So yan, tara na. And then yan mga spam nila. Ayan, sari-saring mga tuna. Ayan, dami. And then, ito naman mga kamisis, oh. Ayan, Far East. Oh my God! Marami na silang mga ano, oh. May mga flag pa. Kung saan nang galing, oh, di ba? Dito ako nakakita ng stick o before mga kamisis. So, yan, may mga Korean sila, may mga sushi. Yan, dito ako bumibili. Ooh, Korean udon noodles. Itatry ko nga ito. Ayan, ganito, oh. Oh, chili. Hindi ko pala kaya yan. Mahina ako sa chili, mga kamisis. Puro pala mga spicy siya. Baka hindi ko makain, sayang lang, diba? So, ayan. Meron din silang mogo-mogo dyan, oh, mga kamisis. 1 pound lang. 1 pound na mogo-mogo. Oh my God, is that soju? May soju, mga kamisis. Parang bet ko yung soju. Ayan, soju. Ooh! Kaso ang mahal, 6 pounds. And ayan na mga kamisis. Kung nakikita nyo, ang daming mga reduce. Ayan na siya, oh. Sarap. Palatain ito. Yeah. Kaya hinahanap ko yung ano. I'm looking for steak. But it's down there. So yan mga kamisis. Ito naman ang kanyang, ito ang butcher side. So ayan. Yan yung mga meat nila. Oh, may 6 pork sausages. Yan, meron silang skin dyan, o mga kamisis, 97p lang.
Do they have any Oreo sausages? Or any Oreo pork belly slices?
Why? Ayan yung ribs nila, oh.
Perhaps some Oreo pork rind for crackling. Or maybe some Oreo mince. Because they seem to fucking have everything else made out of Oreo, don't they? Look at that. There's 3 different types of ice cream in that freezer. All of them Oreo.
Oreo?
It doesn't matter what it is. I haven't seen an actual Oreo for about 10 years.
Oh, yeah. Ayan, oh. Sari-sari. Ooh, I want that. Can I have that?
Okay.
2 for 5, baby. It's £4 each. Any 2 for 5. You get that, I'll get that.
Good. Diabetes in a box.
Right, this is the steak. I don't know what steak shall I get. What do you think, my love?
I just want to go home.
Hang on. Ta-da! I got my camera. Oh, mushroom is good for this. Big one mushroom. Can you get me the big one? And that's it. Let's go! So, ayan, pauwi na kami mga kamisis. Kukuha lang ako ng ano. Kukuha lang ako ng ano ang tawag doon? Dishwashing liquid. Very skip the soak. Yeah. Skip this one. Let's go.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish.
So, ayan mga kamisis, nakauwi na kami. Yan, pako na lang. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo isa-isa kasi nakita nyo naman na, diba? And then, ang total namin is, magkano ba? 35 pounds, 7 pence. Yun lang naman ang ano namin. Kasi, ano lang naman to, for treats nga lang habang wala si Mr. And then, yan, may mga binili rin si Mr. na gagamitin niya pagka umalis siya. So, ayan mga kamisi, sana ay nag-enjoy kayo for today's video. Yan lang naman ang mga ganap natin. Ayoko nang pahabain kasi, ayun nga, ayoko nang i-unpack yun. Yun, ayun lang naman. Ayun lang naman ang aming mga napamili at ginawa for today's video. And ayan, dito ko na i-end ang aking vlog, mga kamisis. Napakataas ko naman, diba? Ayan, dito ko na i-end ang aking vlog and maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin for today's video and magkita-kita ulit tayo ulit sa aking susunod na vlog. Abangan! Bye mga kamisis! Mag-iingat tayong lahat!